How to upload audio to Roblox. So first what you want to do is just open up your Roblox website right here and make sure you're signed in first. Once you're here, just need to go to create here on the top navigation bar. Just tap on create or click on create and it will redirect you right here, and make sure that you go to the dashboard here also on the top navigation bar. Just click on it, wait for it to load. Once you're there, go to development items right here. As you click on that, you will see an audio option on the list of development items right here. So it's just beside the plugins and decals in between of them. So click on audio. As you can see, it will say add audio, and now you could upload the audio. So only MP3 and .ogg formats are allowed. But once you have your file, you just need to click on upload asset, and it will bring you to this page right here. And here there's an upload button, so you just need to simply click on upload. And just to remind you, audio uploads must be less than 7 minutes, and max size per audio file is 20 megabytes or 20 MB. Now you need to tap on upload right here and just pick the recording that you want and tap on open or click on open. And here you could change the name, of course. So I'm just gonna tap on test or something. Once you're done, you could just simply click on upload here at the bottom. So if it doesn't work, you just type to upload again, and I'll just change the description right here. I'm just gonna make it my test recording there, and I'll just try to upload it again. So if it doesn't work for you, you can try the OGG file. So just convert your file to an OGG and not an MP3, and try to upload it again. So just try for a few more attempts. Just tap on upload. As you can see, the message is now gone. And just refresh the page and tap on or click on upload again to make it work. Just refresh and refresh the page till it works. Then after that, I'll just go back to dashboard and check if it was uploaded, the development items and audio. Now you just need to simply wait for your audio to pop up here, and if it didn't pop up, you just go back and try to re-upload it again. You just go to upload asset and just upload your file, then try to re-upload it again. Just make sure that you have an MP3 file or OGG file ready so that you could switch it if the other one doesn't work. And that's how you basically upload audio to Roblox.